This is Casa Caracol, the world famous seashell house, and today on Schmoops Adventures, we're going to take you inside. This property can be found on AirBnB. You got golf cart parking right here. The host, Vanessa, lives right next door, and she is great. So you come up the drive, you get the view of this beautiful house and beautiful pool. There's Jen. She's a mermaid this week. You enjoying the house, Jen?
Yes. Far exceeded my expectations.
So, start with a little walk around the property here. You've got two houses. You've got the Conch house and the Nautilus house, okay? There's accommodations in both for two people, two giant beds in each one. And they just added a third shell in the backyard here. We don't have access to this one, but that's new. So let me take you inside the Nautilus shell first. This is a genuine mermaid cave. You've got a coffee maker and refrigerator in here, television, air conditioning, ceiling fan, and the pièce de résistance to this shell is the beautiful bathroom. So this bathroom includes the shell faucets, this beautiful shower, the seashell shower head. It's got a bench in here. These gorgeous mirrors. Cute little chandelier. All the details. Hair dryer, little closet, storage, lockbox, all the usual stuff. These awesome chairs. So this property was designed by an architect by the name of Eduardo Ocampo for his brother Octavia, who was an artist. We don't know what this is. If you know what this is here for, maybe just a sun pad or something. If you know what it's there for, let me know in the comments. We enjoy our coffee up there on that balcony every morning, so that's awesome. All right, let's go inside. So upon entering the house, when you come through the sliding door, you have your kitchenette here right as you walk in, which lends itself great for serving while you're out at the pool. Comes complete with the sink, little stove, microwave. There is a small refrigerator, big enough to hold all your tequila and beer. And as you walk in, there's a beautiful sitting area, complete with a mermaid. This is an awesome true mermaid cave, is it not? Another little bar area here that has a coffee maker and stuff under it. So, all right, well, let's go see what's upstairs. So as you head up the stairs in the main shell house, you're delivered to the master bedroom. The master bedroom is a little closet, another beautiful bathroom with the beautiful shell artwork and treatments. This is also where you access the awesome balcony with the beautiful view. And the master bed with a mermaid on it. Look at that beautiful headboard. And this place also has like a really great vaulted ceiling. So it's very light and airy in here. How do you like it, Jen? Is this the most beautiful house ever?
Yes, it's incredible. I don't want to go home. Love it.
So there you have it, guys. That's the seashell house on Isla Mujeres, also known as Casa Caracol. We'll put the Airbnb listing in the description of this video below. And thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next episode.